So you all have a most lessons आवश्यकता ही आविष्कार की जननी होती है. So this is the line quotation in Hindi. You have tell in this line tells about more things about how to adopt in the critical conditions, in the when you not survivable condition, then what should do. So during that time, like these conditions had been created. The current time what happening, we cannot find easily the LPG gas. We cannot easily find out the LPG gas, and we traveling for this. So what should do? We have to create any new things which is the very low and new technology for making and cooking foods. So before starting and moving forwards, let's tell about that. If you are thinking that why am I watching this video and why am I listening this video, if like this type of question arise in your mind, so let's tell about it. My main purpose of making this video, I want to record myself and I want to check my English speaking fluency video. That's why I am currently doing it, and after some time I will upload it on the YouTube channel. And I will also check my English fluency tracking. That's why I am doing it. So come to the point. Our point is, what should make for cooking foods with low and high durable. We have created any type of inductions which is gone through a very easy by sunlight, and that a particular things operated by sunlight in a very easiest way, or we have creating some things which is operated by electrics and like heater, and third one things we have to create like biogas, and which is produced by the dungs of animals. And what should do, and third one is, and fourth one is how to make a very easiest form like using ethanol, methanol, or the juice of sugarcane, using it. So if these all four category, if you are thinking that we can make like this type of stove, this type of gas, and this type of furnace which is produce a very high and very amount of energy and heat energy, and which makes our cook very properly. So please think on the parts which is the make best things in low price, high durable. And bye bye and take care. We will meet in the next time with some new exciting topic. And take care and think on it.